Welcome to live trading with Ace. So I see that this double bottom has formed, and the momentum is a tad bit sideways, but I think it's still got a little room to push up. So we'll see what happens. If price can pass this level of resistance, then I can see price coming up to here, which is these last lows, and it happens to be where this liquidity is at. It's actually liquidity right here too. Let me put this dollar sign so I can see it's liquidity right here. Because price came down, stopped right here. People put their stop losses right here, and then it tanked down. And then you have people that sold here. They put their stop losses above here and above here, so it's even more liquidity. All right, so let me change this to white. Yeah, so that's definitely an area of liquidity that is most likely going to be targeted. So I'm gonna keep that, and I'm just going to put my TP right here, and see what price does. There's some news coming out within the next 26 minutes, so I'm just gonna let this boy rock. I'm gonna put the mic on mute, and we just gonna let it rock. I'll probably do a voiceover though, but I'm not. I'm not about to just be sitting here talking to y'all. So put it on mute, and we're gonna go from there.
For 10 days. We just want you to play for us. Somebody got hurt.
I made a mistake and stopped the recording from my last video. So I was trying to unmute the mic, but I made a mistake and click stop. So this is just a continuation from what y'all was just watching. If y'all were still watching it, still keep an eye out. If this closes like this, I'm gonna pop another position and take it to where I'm trying to take it to. So I'm about to probably wait till this news drop, and then I'm about to work out and let things play out, and then go from there. So catch y'all in a minute. If this candlestick forms like this within the next 5 minutes, it's the hour candle. I am taking this trade. I'm definitely taking this trade. Definitely taking this. This is the type of pattern I was telling you guys about, and it's ironic that it just happened to form right here at this very time of moment. So I'm taking this. Stop loss would be below here. On the broker I use, um, I'll go to the 5 minute chart, see if I can have a small stop loss if possible. Yeah, this right here. This right here is where it's at. Right there. That's that little pattern. So from here to it's the same amount though. Pretty much the same amount. But we're gonna see what it's about though. We're gonna see. So I popped two positions. A lot of y'all say it's possibly overexposing my account. Because one of the stop losses, if I pull up my calculator real quick, so 763 times 0.03. That's 22. So $13 is basically 2% of the account. So 28 is like 3.5, and then I already have a position popped. But I'm in profit with that one. So that one I've had that one popped already before I marked up the chart and showed y'all. So that has a little leverage with it on top of the positions I popped. So I'm confident in this, and we'll see how this play out. So yeah. And it's ironic because I'm screen recording on both my phone and laptop. Hopefully my mic is on, my mic is off right now. But y'all can hear it on the video recording. I just had the actual video pop up while I'm talking about it. So we're gonna see how this go. News is coming out within the next couple minutes, so I'm probably gonna put up my workout just to see what happens, just to make sure nothing is too crazy. It's too high impact news events. I actually show y'all real quick my FX book. So we have the existing home sales, and then MOM, and then existing home sales. So we're gonna see what that does and see how that affects the market. And then in the next 4 hours, we have a ton of high impact news from the US once again, and then also from odd. So 9 hours from now would be, so it's about to be 10 o'clock. So we got, so it'd be 7 o'clock. So I trade all JPY and all USD. So I'm gonna have to make sure I'm paying attention and seeing what's going on in the market pre news. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Remind me at 6:30 to look up at odd JPY and odd USD markets because there's high impact news. Remind me at 6:30 p.m. that the Australian dollar has high impact news at 7 p.m. All right, I got my reminder set, y'all, so we'll see where it go from there. All right, about to mute my mic and then let the market do what it do. All right, so I'm gonna just talk over this clip because I muted my mic on my laptop, and also I didn't have my mic on when I was screen recording my trades. So I don't think I recorded me entering the trades. I think I just show you guys my trade history, and then I show you all my entries on the second screen recording, I believe. Maybe not this one, I'm not sure. But I just show you guys the profit I'm in, and also what the market was doing while I was in these trades. Now, it might be off a tad bit because I screen recorded a lot of different videos, and I was having a hard time trying to find all of the clips, but I have the major move that I was looking for, which is on US30. I was in all JPY as well, but I showed my entries, but I didn't show what the market was doing at that time. But it's quite obvious what it was doing when I show it on my MT4 instead of on TradingView. So I have the screen recordings, but I'm probably not going to release them. I'm just going to show you guys the US30 trades, and the all JPY trades are in profit. So it's not like I'm trying to lie to you guys or anything of the sort. I'm just showing you the US30 trade and my entries for all JPY instead of showing what the market was doing. So with no further ado, enjoy this screen recording, and also if you need any tips and tricks on anything concerning trading, just let me know. Sorry for that slight interruption, but yeah, so I entered US30. I was already at really like 300 and maybe in 80, 70, 300 plus pips. I'm gonna just say that. Floating. And then Euro JPY. I forgot I was in that. I totally forgot about that. I was also in that as well. So at some point, I probably will release me showing you guys the Euro JPY or JPY trades, and I would definitely put a date on those because I'm not trying to manipulate y'all and none of the sort. Like this industry is filled with people that are trying to show you profit and try to have you buy something. Like I'm just showing you guys my trades and whatnot, and at some point, of course, I plan on dropping a course and dropping a signals chat and all of that, and I definitely will charge for that. But I'm not about to charge an arm and a leg for one, and for two, it's nothing to manipulate anything. I showed y'all the losses for that day and on the screen recording just a few minutes ago, and so you see the profit now. So my my thing is to help people that aren't as far along as I am to get them to where I'm at or even better. I'm transcend where I'm at, because I'm steadily improving. As of course you spend more time in the market, you do. So I plan on doing those things and also helping people that's also experienced that might not have seen certain things I might be able to see. And also I want to learn something from my subscribers and my people that I'm able to help out, because at the end of the day, you are always able to learn something and take something away from this market. So yeah, that's my plan on releasing these screen recordings and releasing the tips and the tricks and me marking up charts and all of that. That's the purpose of that. So yeah, so no further ado, like I said, enjoy the rest of the video. I'm out. Thank y'all for watching. I'm back. I'm waiting for price to break above here to shoot to 35, 34, 512, or really 5 what's this, 500? Yeah, 500. Really that, not 12. So right there, the price is kind of stopping right here. If we go back and look, this is the last high. Just smashed it, and then it's coming towards here. So depending on how these next couple 5 minute candles close, I'm not sure, but the hour looks like this. So that's keeping that. That's wanting to keep me holding that trade. I mean, it's making me want to hold the trade even more. So we're gonna see what it's looking like. I just leave y'all here. I'll turn my mic off again. I just want y'all to see the live. That's all. Like, I probably voiced it over, but I just want y'all to see the live of what's going on. Even if I'm not talking live. So just bear with me, watch it, do your thing. Catch you in a minute. So as you guys can see, this is the profit that I'm in for the morning. So like I told you, I'm not trading GA no more. It's too, not saying I wouldn't trade it anymore, but I should have took my profit, because I could have held it a little longer to get a little more profit, which I was trying to do like I did with these pairs, but it don't always work out that way. So I'll take what I can get. Never take what I can get. I'm thankful for God for allowing me to have this opportunity to even place these trades this morning. We'll take advantage of every single opportunity I have. So I just want to show you guys my profits for right now. I can show you my entries while I'm at it. So this is my entry for AJ. I'll show you on a small time frame, maybe 15 minutes, but around there. And then my entries for EJ was down there as well. And then my entries for, or entry for US30.
I'm gonna figure out how to explain it and come back to y'all and let y'all know. So basically, on this broker I have, this US30 trade would have been $210, but since I'm on this broker, it allows you to trade US30 without having. It's like trading SPX in a way, like on the 10-cent lot size. That's really how it is. So um, because it's too many instances where even though I'm very capable and confident of trading US30, I'm I'm gonna be very honest with y'all. I still don't like the fact I can be down from like $20, $30 and a few pip movements. Like that don't sit right with me on this account. It just doesn't. So I know a lot of people will be like, man, it's only $10 to $20, 20 30 $40 compared to what the upside could be and all of that, which I definitely understand. And I'm still low key thinking about getting to that point, but I wouldn't do that because I can easily just up my lot sizes on this because I can just put a point one instead of a 0.1. So and that'll be the same exact as putting a 0.1 on like a broker like Hugo's Way or some broker of the sort. So that's where I'm gonna probably end up doing anyways. But I have to get to that point. I'm not super comfortable doing that just now. But I'm very confident in what I've been doing with US30, like US30 and like SPX and a little bit of NAS. NAS can be very up and down, but SPX and US30 are the pairs I've been focusing on mainly for the past at least year and a half, 2 years since I've been trading, and then I solely only traded indices for about a year after learning how to trade. So, or getting better at trading. I traded indices for about a year. I was pushing away forex, but um, now I've added it back because there's some pairs like all JPY and EJ and like GA and GJ. It's a few pairs that give you a lot of pips. Especially on a smaller account. I didn't want to trade indices, but that's that. So yeah. I'm about to go back in here to my laptop to see what's going on with price. And show y'all me closing the actual trades live. It's about literally like maybe 5 pips away, and then US30. Now with US30 though, it's just now started to have more bullish movement after did the news drop yet?
Here's what you gotta stop doing.
The news already dropped, so that's what pushed it up, which is ironic. We talk about that later though. So
and you gotta stop doing that.
It's already a mad overbought over here. So I might take my profits, honestly, and be just done trading for the day. So
you don't treat it you don't treat it real. Like you give it a pass
yeah,
because it's
I'm gonna close this one.
baby. But if somebody else was to get on your couch and do that, you'd have a fit.
Euro
So what I
JPY.
had to start doing was saying, you gotta stop holding other people to the fire. You gotta hold yourself.
Euro JPY is almost there. I didn't think it was gonna really get there. I ain't gonna lie, but I was holding it because the price action didn't say otherwise. So I was holding it, but I was just like, that's a nice amount of pips. I don't know if it's just gonna jump, but it low key ended up doing it anyway. So I'm happy with what's going on. I'm taking my profits. Definitely taking profits. Then all JPY.
Where his money came from. So the first thing I did was I was like, yo, his money comes from investments. Well, what happened was when he was 12 years old, his father gave him his first grand and let him make an investment. So I realized he's not getting up early in the morning just to get up in the morning. What he says he does is he reads. He doesn't just read books. That's not what he does. He reads financial.
Go on, give me back to 9, man. I was at 9-10 not too long ago, man. I didn't even see that. Go ahead, give me back to my. Come on, you can do it, baby. You can do it. There you go.
14, 15
So as long as I'm at 9, I'm good, man. I'm taking my profits.
But to his
I'm
point,
there.
he was reading the document, the financial. Listen to me.
Happy trading day, you all. I hope you guys have a blessed trading day. I wish you all the best. Have a great rest of the week if you keep trading. Much blessings to you. I'm out.